What you're looking at is not a grill, but the Ninja Flexflame. This thing does grilling, smoking, roasting, griddling, and even is a pizza oven. And it has the capacity to cook for a crowd. To take advantage of all the features with this Ninja Flexflame, you're going to need to plug it in, as well as hook it up to a propane tank. No more guessing what temperature your grill is at, because with the digital dial, you're going to have more control and cook at the precise temperature that you want to cook at, and cook foods within minutes. The integrated smoke box allows you to add smoke flavor to any cooking method that you choose. Simply lift the chamber, pour in up to 2 cups of pellets, close the chamber up when you're done, and you're ready to add smoke flavor with the single push of a button. The key to precision cooking and having that wood fire smoke flavor is the cyclonic air that pushes through the chamber as it cooks. It's convection type cooking, which means it's going to cook more thoroughly, more evenly, and quicker. And with just over 600 square inches of cooking space, you can pack the grill full of proteins, veggies, you name it. And don't be shy of the shelf on top. With the convection type cooking, the cyclonic air, everything in the chamber is going to cook evenly and within minutes. And going back to the smoke flavor, you can add in as little or as much as you like. And having cooked on this as well as some other wood-fired grills, I've never had so much smoke flavor in such little time as I do with this Ninja Flexflame. You can taste that delicious smoke flavor in the hamburgers, the hot dogs, the pork loins, and even the vegetables too. Smoked corn on the cob is a personal favorite of mine, and you can taste that smoke flavor in that corn within minutes. Now after you're done grilling, make sure to turn off the grill, as well as turn off the propane too to conserve energy and fuel. This feast full of smoke flavor only took minutes to cook thanks to the Ninja Flexflame 5-in-1 cooking system. The ultimate outdoor cooking system has arrived.